Hi guys, good day to all of ako po si Nina Guerra and I've been vlogging Love Scam Awareness since January 4, 2023, and I've been also vlogging about the facts about Mr. Han Ji-hoon. Okay, gusto ko lang pong mag-respond dito sa comment na ito. There are so many of him on the internet, or rather not himself, but his photo, and how to distinguish a lie from the truth. This is a marriage fraud, or rather not himself, of course. Girls be vigilant. Yes, that is true. For vlogging him, Mr. Han Yun, for more than 2 years now, nagrarun na siya into 3 years. So, marami pa rin. Ang akala ko noon, it will somehow stop, but it will not. And there's no parang hint for those scammers to stop using his photos or videos. Um, Basically, he is a pure Korean, okay, and he has not stayed yet to another country. Okay, yung mga scammers po na nakaka-encounter ng mga bibiktimahin nila, they have been telling people that, you know, they stayed in the UK, in the US. So, nagsasabi sila na nagstay sila in a different place. So, pretending to be Mr. Han Ji-hoon. Yung vlog ko guys, yung mga gifts na pinapadala niya, those are the proof that Mr. Han Ji-hoon is staying in Gwangju, South Korea. So that's one of the purposes why gifts are to him. That is one legitimate proof that Mr. Han Ji-hoon is currently in Gwangju, South Korea. And according to him, during his live broadcast, he is not or he hasn't stayed in any place at all. Nagta-travel siya. Actually, the place where he traveled are mostly in Asian countries like Japan, Macau, Philippines, China. So those are countries that he already visited. So he hasn't been to any Western countries, according to him. So yun. And what else? He cannot speak English fluently, or he knows some words, but he is not capable of expressing himself in English language. He only speaks Korean when it comes to expressing himself, defending himself. Also, and I'm encouraging you to watch his live broadcast. He often goes on live, but there's no specific you know days or a time. He just goes on live, but often it's every Sunday. Usually it's 4 p.m. Philippine time. Sometimes he goes on live on Monday on 10 p.m. Philippine time or 11 p.m. Philippine time. So you can join his live broadcast and you can ask some questions. He is willing to answer questions about issues and everything. He's willing to answer. There are questions that not be no no. There are questions that even if it is not really, or if it is personal, yeah, he also answers questions such that. Okay. So, yeah, basically, what I want to point out in this vlog is for you to be careful that if you encounter his photos or his videos and somebody na mag-add sa inyo na yun yung photos na gamit niya, or pangalan ni Sanjun, or using photos but different names, so be careful, be vigilant, and don't just believe those people kasi definitely it's gonna be Nigerian or maybe other nationalities, but commonly it's gonna be Nigerian. They are black. Those are the people using his photos or pictures. So thank you for this comment. And yeah, she's right. Girls, please be vigilant. Yeah, thank you so much, and welcome back to myself in vlogging him again. And I'm back. Thank you so much, and I hope that there's a takeaway from on this video. And if you think that this is very helpful, please do share, like, and repost this video so maraming makaalam. Alright, I'm an anti-love scam advocate also. So please do share and help each other para ma-spread yung information about love scam awareness, at the same time about the facts about real Han Ji-hoon. Okay, guys, peace be with you all. Annyeong, and have a great one. Take care.